Today we're going to be rating how the Playland pups shake and react to me giving them my hand. Emma, 2 out of 10, sniff and exit. Freddie, 6 out of 10, he understood, but he was way too excited to give a good handshake. Emma, 8 out of 10, she got it, but she was a little bit unsure, still very cute. Luna, 10 out of 10, very polite. Kona, 10 out of 10, very straightforward business deal handshake. George the Jungle, 10 out of 10, also perfect shake. Robin, 7 out of 10, ignored my requests at first, but gave in and gave a good shake as long as it got me to go away.